Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy, and today I'm gonna prove to you that with only one light, you're able to create amazing photos and videos. Make sure to watch this video to the end to find out how I do that. But first, thank you very much Nanlite for supporting this channel. Meet my Forza 60B. Forza 60B, it's a bicolor light that goes from 27K to 65K. Very light, super tiny, and you have the ability to control and adjust 330 degrees with this L mount. On the bottom here, you also are able to adjust the firmware update. When they do all these adjustments and put this good stuff, you're able to do that via USB. You see that we have these little gaps on the bottom and on the top, so the fan can have a nice circulation, but doesn't bother me at all. You can use to 100% power, the fan is gonna be on. If you want to turn it off, you can do that. You can go on the menu here on the back, but keep that in mind that you're just gonna be able to use until 30% with the fan off. On. Off. It's still a lot of power for me, and I use all the time for my key lights, 30%. And the best part, 12 built-in adjustable effects.
Report suspicious
And many more. Fuego. It's very strong, elastic, and Velcro here on top, where you can always bring and put your tripod over here. Have this like strap that you can put like across. It's perfect for organize, especially for travel.
Baby girl love my bop and unlike me too. No roof on my top and my babe see-through.
If you have any accessories that you want to plug here from the Forza 60, or you can use an umbrella in the front, and you can put on a tripod here as well. I love the detail here with the Velcro. The cords are always clean and organized. You can hang and put on your tripod, so it's not like throwing around or just like this. Always gonna be safe. Zip ties as well. If you wanna like zip, you can do that. Wow, very good, Nanlite, very good. 3 meters Velcro, so you can keep everything organized and tidy. Fuego. There's 3 ways that you can power the Forza 60B. The regular way that you can just plug on the wall. You can have this mount for NPF batteries, and you can have a V mount as well. This one is my favorite because you have a lot of freedom. You can take anywhere you want. You can put on the light stand if you're tired. It will shows you the battery levels. There is these little legs as well where you can just relax. They also sent me this amazing Parabolic Softbox, so I can have full control of my environment. A nice soft light with 2 options of diffusion, egg grid here, so I can control the spill. Amazing. Super compact and came with a little bag as well. Very easy to set up. If you wanna change the adapters here, you just unscrew this, switch, you're ready to go. How to set up this light? Less than 1 minute. Watch. Clip one left, one right, one up, and one down. Perfect. You have like an X. Now you can clip the other ones. There we go. Put the Velcro. Amazing. You see that has Velcro here as well, so we can put our diffusion. I'm gonna use the half stop. Has Velcro here as well. Put here on the bottom, clean, and keep going. Nice diffusion. We're gonna put the egg grid. You see there's Velcro as well. This part's gonna be up. Amazing, easy, probably in like 2 minutes, everything is ready to go. For the last but not least, they also sent me this 288 Nanlite light stand. Amazing, it's a little bit heavier than the ones that I'm used to. This is definitely legit, very professional, and I'm not gonna be scared to put my light on this, especially if I wanna take outside on windy days or all this good stuff. It's super high, 288 centimeters, 2.8 meters, 9.1 feet. Fuego. Now I'm gonna use my new key light, excuse me, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, and now that's with my softbox right here. So that's pretty much how I do my setup. This is gonna be my new key light over here. My desk stand is gonna be just a little fill light. Usually if I frame myself with the 18mm, I would bring this one closer and I would get the soft light just out of frame, like here. Pretty much all of these effects you're able to customize and change via your light, your Nanlite app, or they also send this Nanlite transmitter. Why? Because on the Forza 60B, we are very spoiled. We have the ability to use the 2.4 gig transmission or the Bluetooth mode. This way, I can just plug right here, but some lights, they don't have the ability to use the Bluetooth. That's why they have this Nanlite WSTB1. First, open the app, you have to create a new scene. The scene is gonna be YouTube. Bing. When I have the scene now, I'm gonna click on the scene and I'm gonna add a new fixture. You see that we have the options Bluetooth or 2.4. That's when the Nanlite transmitter comes in. In our case, we're gonna control the light via Bluetooth. Ping, my Forza 60B, it's already here. I just click, done. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Before you connect your light, make sure that you have the latest update, okay? So you have all these features, all this good stuff. It's perfect for beginners filmmakers and pro filmmakers as well, because if you want to take your production to the next level, make some music videos, do some cool stuff, this is awesome. As many light as you want, you can control via your app. You don't need to go back and forth and change and bring it down and bring it up again. Ready to go. Thank you very much. Leave your like and a comment down below. So this way you're gonna be able to support this channel. Let's try to get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's go. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.